Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Under the hood we have a 1.5 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in blue, looks great. You got that Chevrolet badging right there with your projector style headlights right there. Coming around the side we do have our Goodyear brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals on them. Coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that LT badging. You have the Chevrolet and the Malibu. You can open it up just right here. Looks great back here, lots of room. You can fold those seats forward with those guys right there. You can also fold this up, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there in case you do need it. We got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got your remote start there. That one opens up the back and your panic button there. On the door as well, it does have this guy, which is the proximity button, so you can lock and unlock it right there. On the inside, you do have your electronic mirrors, windows, and locks. You have your locks here and all the rest down here. Handle here and some storage. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats. The cloth is very nice. You do have the controls over the seat, so backward, forward, tilt, and lumbar support there. And then over here, we do have the controls over the lights, so our in-cabin light control, and then we do have our controls right here over the off, auto, daytime running lights, and low beams. And up here, we do have the controls over our high beams and turning signals. It is push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right down there, we do have it telling us our Wi-Fi hotspot right now. And then in the center, you do have your speed with your kilometers. Now you can switch that around a bit to your trip A and B, as well as your fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, your fuel economy, and back to your speed. You also have your info, audio, your phone, navigation, and options all in there as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. You have your control over your windshield wipers right there. And then around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down button. And on the other side, there is a channel changer. Right in the center here, you do have your touchscreen display. It looks great. So you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there as well. If you hit the home button, you can see we got the phone, the projection, OnStar. You also have your settings, text, OnStar, and apps there. Down here, you do also have the home button, the skip, you got the power and the volume, as well as the back button. When you're in reverse, you got the ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here, we do have the controls over our climate, so we got the power up and down. We do also have our defrosts here. We have where it's going to blow out of, our AC and circulation, and then the temperature right there. Storage here, you do have your your traction control right here. Gear shift is here, looks great. You do also have your cup holders here, a place to put your phone, and your armrest. It doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there. And then over here we do have our glove box right there. Looks great. And up top you do have the OnStar options as well as your light control. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here. Very spacious. You can fold this guy down right here, and you got that armrest with the cup holders, as well as down here you do have a USB plug-in, and lots of room, seating for 3. There's our 1.5 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.